Welcome back to Power Equipment DIY. Today we're looking at this 𝗟𝗏𝗕 pressure washer powered by a Honda GC 160 5 horsepower engine. And the complaint is that once it starts, it bogs down and does not have any power to run the pressure pump. Now, he did tell me that it was accidentally tipped over during operation. As I do with all equipment that comes in, first thing I do is check for spark, which it has, check compression, which it also had plenty at 85 psi. So now I'm going to start it and let you hear what it sounds like. First we'll turn the water supply on. Sounds like it's running with the choke on. So as you can see, it was really that simple. So keep in mind, whenever you tip it over accidentally, check that air filter, because oftentimes it will go in there. And try to keep your equipment upright. If it's a push mower, tip it the right way with the air filter side up, muffler side down. Hopefully this can save you some money. Thanks for watching.